Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad, and I'm here at Hibernia County Park in Chester County. I love Chester County parks. Let's see what this one has to offer. Let's go. So far, a lot of squirrels in the underbrush. And a woodpecker off in the distance. Hibernia Park is on 900 acres. There are trails through woodlands, meadows, fields. There's pavilions here for picnics. There's camping is here. A couple main bodies of water that we're going to see today, besides these little streams, are the west branch of Brandywine Creek. There's a children's lake here, and there is a fairly large dammed up lake called Chambers Lake. That's on my list for when it gets considerably warmer out to go kayaking in. So we'll probably be back here at some point later in the season. It is late March, and I'm getting that sense that we're going out like a lion this year. There's not a real good chance of rain today, but it has just started, so we'll see how this goes. Going through a little bit of a cold spell here at the end of March, but gonna get moving here. Soldier on. Kind of headed down into a little valley now. We've got some walkways through. There's some spots here that are kind of soggy, kind of spongy, but I'm going through a bit of a wetlands here. Hibernia Park is just north of Coatesville, Pennsylvania. Being March 20th or so, this is what I was hoping for. See some signs of spring here. The previous 2 weeks were very mild March here, so but this week temperatures have dropped again, given one more wintry blast. But you know, here we have some flowers. If you know what they are, let me know. I'm a little rusty. I gotta start studying up again. So yeah, we are getting some buds on trees and a little bit of flowers going here. So I hope this cold doesn't damage everything too much. So just back the trail, there's a little split for something called the Forge Trail. I came up here because I saw these ruins. Could have, I'd imagine, belonged to a forge or house or something. See where a column just collapsed here. Looks like a window here and over here. Maybe a door where I'm standing. Down branches in here, but I'll climb over. Yeah, there's a wall and everything back here. So this is probably over in there, probably some large building. Yeah, maybe some kind of metal forge. Almost on a big buried pile of stones here. Pretty large area with these ruins. And these columns at the front of it. don't know if this used to be building or if this is just collapsed ruins of some kind of big furnace or forge. Kind of walking along a buried stone mound, long mound here. I think I'm going to walk back the forge trail right over here. It connects just over here. See if there is any more ruins or some kind of other thing to see back here. On the forge trail, I haven't seen any ruins yet, but it almost looks like this area was dug out. So maybe there was some quarrying here. A lot of times when you see the forges and everything, you'll see some pits nearby that possibly look man-made a long time ago. So this yeah, this ridge kind of back here, it just looks like all this was maybe dug out, maybe refined over there. Just kind of guessing from what I've gleaned over the years. No other ruins on this forge trail part, but we're coming to a picnic area and west branch of the Brandywine River. A little parking area. Spring is coming. In spite of the temperatures today, it is coming. So the ruins we saw were up there. We took the forge trail around. And now we're at 3 Undershot Water Wheels ruins. So probably a mill here. We are by this little stream here that empties into the west branch of the Brandywine. So water was probably at some point diverted through here. 1, 2, 3 gaps there, maybe 3 water wheels turning here. Pretty high structure. Probably go down, walk between everything here. Okay, so maybe 3 wheels in between these walls. Almost getting that ghost town feel here, like there used to be a lot of something posted up here along the west branch of the Brandywine. I didn't expect to see that. I know there is a mansion here, a refurbished mansion that belonged to Iron Masters, so I feel like this was all in the production of ore that they were kind of quarrying out here, processing it maybe here. Just found a swamp down here behind the ruins. Alright, so there's a rolling mill that was here, so I wager those big ruins had something to do with that. So basically mining some ore, processing the ore, and then the rolling mill would form it into beams and things needed for construction. So alright, so we've got a little mining ghost town here in Hibernia County Park. children's pond here. Brilliant idea. Little pond here. Kids only fishing pond. Bring your child here to learn how to fish. Children 12 years of age and under only, 1 rod per child. Child must attend, hold, and control pole at all times. And it is stocked. Limit of 5 trout per child per day, 7-inch minimum size. All other fish are catch and release. Very neat. Huh. There's a platform there on the far side. If the fish are used to maybe being over there, I think I'm going to go over there with my camera, dunk it in, see if we can see any fish. Yeah, let's do that. The Hibernia Mansion is here. This has been home to iron masters over the years. The building has been around for 200 years. All the mining and everything and all that was finished about 100 years ago. So it's been empty. It's kind of a visitor center. You can do tours on the weekends here, which is pretty awesome. But it's right in the middle of the park, big yellow mansion. All right, so the first glimpse of the dam here at Chambers Lake, and some rocks down at the base of it, but Birch Run comes out this way, kind of hidden by the hillside here, but then Chambers Lake is behind it. Big fence right here. Not sure that we'll be able to get on the dam, but we will walk around the lake here a little bit and find out. So the signs back there on that fence definitely say no access to the dam, but there's a very nice trail leading down onto the dam, and it appears that all they want you to do is stay in the middle here and stay off the slopes. They don't want erosion on the slopes of the dam. So protect our dam, stay off the slopes, and pedestrian access only on top of the dam. So we're good to go. Look at Chambers Lake. Yeah, so as it warms up, I'm going to bring the kayak out here and check this out. Big Earth Dam up here. There we can see the exit to Birch Run. Oh, very cool. All right. You know, I wonder what what could a pedestrian possibly do to a gigantic solid earth and rock dam like this. I don't know why a lot of places keep you off it. You know, if it's erosion on the side, okay, but you know, on the top, places like Hamburg Reservoir are open, Tuscarora Dam is open, because it's often a great view up here. Look at this. Birch Run down there. Yeah, this is very nice, very nice. Way to go, Chester County, killing it on county parks yet again. I have yet to be disappointed by Chester County Park. Gonna leave the lake campground area, take the Cedar Hollow Trail. We've been hanging out around the perimeter of the park. This is gonna cut right across the center. Well, Cedar Hollow takes you through the woods and then out to this big meadow, which looks super familiar because my car is right there. Thank you so much for watching. This was Hibernia County Park here in Chester County. Pretty awesome, pretty awesome. First signs of spring are popping up. If you want to see more and see where I go here throughout the spring into the summer, please like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.